Hi, I'm Harjot Kaur. Today I'm going to discuss about my assignment 2 of the unit The World of Maths. Firstly, discussing about the part 1, that is the examples of what we see in mathematics and numeracy in the world around us. First is nature. Mathematics and nature is often represented by the different experiences we have, such as tessellations. We can see tessellations as these are the sequences or patterns like the hexagons in the beehives. These are the beautiful examples as these help us to hold the most weight with the help of least space covered. In order to help the children learn this concept easily, we can also tell them the examples like the seed arrangement in sunflowers, etc. Further, is society. Mathematics is very crucial for engineers to design safe and efficient structures like buildings, bridges, etc. Principles such as geometry are the foundation in these concepts. If a child lacks this knowledge, it may affect their learning pattern. Further, personal. So, the personal experience, the personal example I have given is about administering medicine to children, which involves various numeracy skills like measuring dosages and keeping the track of the medicine schedule. Also, if a child lacks or has incorrect numeracy skills in this area, it could have several consequences like struggling with daily routines and underdose or overdose of the medication. So, during these type of activities, an educator needs to have full support towards a child and also tell them the importance of these daily life tasks. Further, discussing about the part 2, that is maths and numeracy in play. Importance of play in child development is the main focus here, as the play in child development influences cognitive development, the mental, physical, emotional well-being in various ways. Play provides opportunities for learners to interact with their peers and develop social skills, which help them to learn skills like cooperation, sharing skills, and building relationships, and also negotiating while doing a play or processing something new. It helps to develop their gross motor skills and promotes spatial awareness too. Further overview of my play-based activity, I have chose age group from 6 to 7 years. My play-based activity is baking cookies, and the main maths concepts that are focused are measurements and shapes. The EYLF curriculum link overcovers the outcome 4. Children are confident and involved learners. Component 4.2, children develop a range of skills and processes such as problem solving, inquiry, experimentation, hypothesizing, researching, and investigating. Component 4.3, children transfer and adapt what they have learned from one context to another. Further, about the activity, in this activity, children will engage in the activity of baking cookies from raw materials or from scratch. Children engage in measuring ingredients with the help of measuring cups, tablespoons, teaspoons, which also tells them about the concept of measurements linked with mathematics. Mixing and forming the dough, shaping the cookies, and then eventually baking them. Throughout the participation of the students in this activity, they have the opportunity to learn various methods, various skills, and concepts related to mathematics and numeracy. So, yeah, the main focus is measurement and shapes. Children use measuring cups and spoons to measure the ingredients accurately, like flour, food coloring, sugar, or any other ingredients needed according to the recipe. They get to learn about the concept of measurements and practice measuring in cups, tablespoons, and teaspoons, which tell them, which also teaches them about the quantity and the measurements clearly. While talking about shapes, children can bake their cookies in different molds according to what they like in different shapes, and they can easily learn the concept of different shapes through cookies. The idea of using different molds lets the children learn with keen interest in the activity without even letting them know that they are learning concepts like shapes and measurements through play. Next, children can also learn estimation skills as they assess the number of ingredients that are needed based on the instructions on the recipe. For example, they would also start to estimate the number of chocolate chips to add to each cookie according to their needs. Looking to theoretical perspective, according to constructivist perspective proposed by Piaget, children actively make their thoughts about mathematical concepts with the help of the hands-on experience they have. During baking, children's interactions with objects and events in the environment will lead to construction of their mathematical language. Further, the socio-cultural perspective highlight the importance of social interactions and cultural context given by Vygotsky, 1978. Through social interaction, children develop mathematical language and learn from their peers easily. Also, how can children develop their mathematics and numeracy skills through baking? While doing this activity of baking, they get the opportunity to learn various mathematical concepts and numeracy skills without even letting them realize that they are studying or learning something related to mathematics or numeracy. FLIR 2009 also discusses how children's participation in cooking or baking activities provides numerous mathematical learnings with problem solving solutions also. These are my references and thank you.